What is up, YouTube? Today is a special day because we get to unbox another Grail level statue or toy or collectible. Here behind me, I have the lifestyle scale 1:1 Infinity Gauntlet. Let's take it out of the box, set it up, and check it out. Before we get to the actual unboxing though, just a quick story. So I was able to pick this up from a new toy store, collectible store over at Podium Mall here in the Philippines. They're called MULTIVERSE by Filbar. So they specialize in a lot of comic books, Funko Pops. They have Hot Toys 1/6 figures, and of course they have life-size replicas like this one, or 1:1 limited edition toys, and I'm really excited to be able to have this in my collection. So I picked this up for a little over $1,000, 55,000 pesos to be exact. So let's get to the unboxing. As you guys can see, it comes in this massive box over here. It says there, Infinity Gauntlet life-size collectible from the Infinity Wars by Hot Toys. So this is the box. It's massive, it's huge, and I actually had problems trying to get it out of the mall into my car. So what we'll do now is we'll dismantle this, take it out of the box, and then start to assemble it. You remove the styrofoam cover, and this is what we have inside the box. We have the life-size 1:1 replica of the Infinity Gauntlet over here. You have the Infinity Stone set in the gauntlet. We have the stand, which you can use to, like, you know, display the gauntlet. And there's actually a cable because the gems actually light up. So if you insert this to that, the gem should be glistening, shining, shimmering, splendid. We also have this lifestyle collectible certificate. I'll check this out in a bit. And we also have my cat over there. That tail that you see, that's actually Cleo. She's our Sphinx. We have another cat over here. His name is Dusty. He's a British Shorthair Scottish Fold. And behind this piece of carton is Rumfold, our Scottish Fold. So those are 3 of my 5 cats, all watching me unbox the Infinity Gauntlet. They're probably afraid that I might snap my fingers. Anyway, let's take this out of the box and assemble it. So guys, we have the Infinity Gauntlet over here. I already took it out of the plastic. And man, this is ridiculously heavy. I don't know what the actual weight is, but you really need 2 hands to be able to lift this bad boy up. So this is it. The details that you can see in it are pretty sick. You have the gems over here at the hand. Now you have to be careful with hitting the gems because they can be a little bit loose. So make sure that you don't let anything hard hit any of the gems because you might knock them off the slots. Man, it's really heavy. So you have the stand over here. Now, oh, by the way, to those who are wondering, you can actually hold the gauntlet. So there is a bar here inside over there. So you can hold it, but you can't like snap your fingers or close the fist in any way. So it's really just, you can actually just hold onto the bar and then hold it like so. Man, if this is life size, which it is, it gives you an idea of how massive Thanos really is in the Marvel, cinematic universe. Now, like what I mentioned, the gems actually light up. So that's where the USB cable comes in. There is a USB slot inside of the bar of the gauntlet. So you're supposed to plug this in. And then when you put the gauntlet here, there is another USB slot over there where you plug it in, and that should be the one to light up the gauntlet. So let's set it up. So fam, this is a closer look at the Infinity Gauntlet life-size 1:1 replica by Hot Toys. As you guys can see, you have the 5 Infinity Stones, you have the intricate markings and engravings along the gauntlet. Take a look at how the Soul Stone was set and how complex this placeholder is. I mean, it just looks really kick-ass. And you also have the markings along the edges of the Gauntlet, and you have everything. I mean, it just looks really, really nice. Now, like what I mentioned earlier, you can actually light this up. So what I did, just so it's easier, I put it on a power bank. But of course, you should be able to plug it. And then what we'll do is we'll just toggle it on so you guys can see what it looks like if it is turned on with the light. So let's turn it on. Now, as you guys can see, there you have it. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gems are now glowing. So there is like some sort of LED light behind each gem, which allows for the gems to glow when you turn the toggle on. So that's what it looks like. This is what the base looks like. Avengers Infinity War. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So what's inside this packet that I showed you guys earlier? So number one, you have some sort of like manual. Apart from that, you have the, well, like an info card with the specifications of the device, of the Gauntlet. So it says here product code, product name, the height, so it's approximately 68 centimeters tall, 75 centimeters tall with the base, and it is made from polystone. That's why it's so heavy. It's made from polystone. It features 2 LED light up functions, the one that I turned on earlier. It has either a light on or a pulsing mode. It also has multi-layered metallic painting with weathering effects. So that's actually it for our unboxing of the 1:1 Hot Toys replica of the Infinity Gauntlet from Avengers Infinity Wars. However, we're not yet done. I have another toy that I wanted to unbox for you guys. This is from my other, like, I don't know, anime addiction or anime that I'm a massive fan of, Dragon Ball. By the way, if you guys haven't seen my Chume unboxing of the Majin Vegeta, I will put a link down below. That video actually has over 350,000 views as of today. So make sure that you guys watch that, especially if you are a Dragon Ball Z fan. Now this one I was able to get from Feed Your Feet Manila. They're actually a toy/sneaker store over at Quezon City, and this figure basically has Goku doing his spirit ball or Genki Dama pose with the Vegeta in like the, I don't know, like the monkey mode. I forgot what it's called. So yeah, I'll probably get hate comments again about being not a real hardcore Dragon Ball Z fan because I forget some of the names. Guys, I'm old. I'm 36, okay? I can't remember everything. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Now, as you guys can see, it pretty much just shows off the figure right off the box. It is made by Banpresto. So that's a nice, really nice, like toy brand that makes a lot of not just statues, but also like, you know, flexible figures, figures that you can actually pose and play with. They have a wide range of products, so you might want to check them out in case you guys haven't heard of them yet. So let's just take this out of the box so we can check out what it looks like up close and personal. So yeah, let's set this aside. Here you have it. So it is in some sort of like plastic, so all we have to do, oops, is to remove the plastic casing and then get to the actual figure itself. So guys, here it is. This is the I'm making a mess. This is the Vegeta/Goku figure. So you have a small Goku over there in the middle of everything, and then he's gathering the energy to throw down the spirit ball. And you have the gorilla version of Vegeta here at the back with his menacing arms raised, with his teeth white, with his glaring red eyes. I just love the attention to detail, because if you take a look at it, some of like the imperfections with Vegeta's armor actually come out. You have the broken shoulder plate, you have like the torn, I don't know, spandex or battle suit that he has, and you have Goku over here. The only thing I don't like about it is how disproportionate the Goku face looks like. It kind of looks misangled, so that's definitely something that needs to be looked into. But apart from that, it's a pretty nice figure to have in your collection, especially if you are, again, a Dragon Ball Z fan. So this one I was able to cop from Feed Your Feet Manila for a little less than 6,000, or around 6,000 pesos. Not a bad deal, especially again if you are a fan of Dragon Ball. So guys, that's actually it for my toy. I was about to say sneaker. That's actually it for my toy unboxing for today. So we have the 1:1 collectible of the Avengers Infinity War Infinity Gauntlet, and we have the Vegeta Goku statue from Banpresto. Now, I do have a few more toy unboxings in the coming days ahead. I have a few limited edition Funko Pops that I wanted to share with you guys, but I would love to hear from you if you would like to see me continue doing like toy unboxings. I know this channel is primarily sneakers and sometimes we do tech. But I would really love to hear from you guys if you want me to keep on doing toy stuff and collectible stuff like this one. So I hope you're all having a great week. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we are in the middle of a giveaway. We're about to announce the winner and draw the winner of the C1 Realme smartphone. So make sure that you guys are part of the pool of that one because it would be sad if you, well, are not part of it and it's free. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.